Excuse me. Just realized there's some medicine there. Can I take it?
I'll come with you. Where is this? What are you saying? Where is it?
There's some medication.
Yeah, well, you tell me where it is and we'll get it.
Sure.
This lady wants to get some medications, how?
Sure. She volunteered.
Sorry, I'm just checking. Okay. Did you guys take any? Can I take them?
No.
No?
Take medications. You can't take anything else.
All right. Fine.
Lulu,
Sorry, I'm taking some
here's
medication.
a card of yours just in case you forget you're a director, okay?
Can you check the? Please do some homework. Oh, sorry.
No, my apologies. Sorry.
Getting some medication. Ah, sure. There was some on this desk here. I do. Can I get it back?
We'll pack those in a box, all right? You don't need to do that. We can do that. We'll put all that in a box and we'll bring it out to you in a little while.
Okay,
Yep.
can I just check if there's anything else? Those are actually mine. Can I take it?
No, she is, and we're watching what she's doing. There's a drawer here full of medications.
My contact lenses. Can I take it?
No,
Why? So you're keeping his medication from him?
he can attend here and I'll give it to him.
So I'm sorry. I am taking it for
You asked
him.
me if you could come and get your medication.
No,
But
I
you've
said
got-
medication.
No,
And
you
okay,
get yours.
you're saying that I can't get his medication for him. So you're keeping his medication
No,
from
you
him
can't.
because.
The manager already told you he can get his own medication.
Okay, so okay, this is mine. All right.
We were good enough to let you in here to get
Okay,
your
thank you. Let me take my contact lenses, please. So just to confirm, you refuse to have me take Mr. Cookso's
Because
medication.
you have no role here anymore.
Yeah, but my stuff is here, right? Can I take them?
Yeah, out.
I will. Just let me take some stuff, right? My shoes. Do you have a business card? So
No.
how can I contact you?
Out.
So I can't contact you.
You can get out. That's what you need to do.
Says by the manager who I still don't know the name.
Okay, I'll ask the question.
So I was there, they were allowing me to take my medication, but as soon as they realized it's Shubhash Cookso's, they were like, no. So why is that?
I was thinking that, but there's nothing to fix on that side.
Where is the medicine, Lulu?
It's in his drawer, they know where it is. They just don't let me take it.
You're not allowed in.
Sorry, I was,
You can speak from out there. Go on. Can you please just take one step back? Thank you. That's it.
so, can we not collect the private medication of the staff?
Can you what, sorry?
You're saying we cannot collect people's private medication? You'd rather they go without their
Have
medication?
you got medication here yourself?
No, I said
If
staff's
Mr. Cookson
medication.
wants to attend to collect his medication, I will provide it to him.
So, I'm being blocked from entering the premises and no, I can't collect your medication for you.
So you're the police officer?
Yeah.
Well, those medication, they're quite urgent. I don't know if you know, if it's within your purview, but
If the medication, look, I would say that if the medication was in my possession and it didn't belong to either of you ladies, I would be very reluctant to give it to you.
well,
because-
we've got
all right,
someone here,
Yeah.
and it just got it prescribed yesterday and picked up. He hasn't got it, so I'm not sure if there is any humanitarian
If it has someone
considerations.
Else's, if it has someone else's name on it other than one of you ladies, then I'm not entering into it. All right. I certainly wouldn't be giving you any medication that's not
So,
not in either of
okay.
your names.
All right.
Okay. So, no, you still can't have your medication. Sorry, Shavesh.
But I think you've been offered a reasonable offer that if he wants to come down, he can collect his medication. But
Well,
that's just my view on it.
he can't come here physically. Why can't he authorize someone to take his medication that's very urgent? And what is it so important that he can't have his medication? So he's gonna be in pain and. Yeah.
to you, Lulu.
He's on the phone. Why can't he authorize us?
They won't let us collect it in the name of somebody else. Well, they're saying we can't prove that we've got their permission.
That's a small box to write it, doesn't it?
No, so we had this conversation, the police officer said he would not give it to us, even if it was in his possession. Sorry?
So can it be? Can we collect it in the police station or something?
Can
Yeah.
you what?
Can we collect the medication from the police station, please? Why?
Because it's not in your name.
Yeah, but he can collect it. They are very important medication.
Yeah,
Our
if they were
concern
employed,
is-
he'd be
no,
allowed
no.
to come here and collect it.
Sorry.
He
gents.
can't.
Gents, our concern is that they're gonna lock up the building and he won't be able to get to it at all. And then he can't get another prescription because it's a.
Yeah, we just got it
Kieran's not here to
yesterday.
answer your questions. All right. So if you want to speak to the manager, ask to speak to the manager. And that,
Can we speak to the manager?
in a minute.
Say who you're talking to. Neither myself or my colleague really wish to be here. What I was going to ask you is if so you've been asked to leave by the now manager of the premises or the law firm.
Yeah.
If my colleague and I leave, do you give an undertaking that you won't re-enter the premises, or do we need to stay here? Because you know that you'd be trespassing if you re-entered.
Promise not to step over the threshold.
Yeah, really?
I'll be annoying, but not to step over the threshold.
Oh, can we please get the medication again? Please ask that. No.
I'm just going to write the look. Oh, that is my new number now on the back, right? Because we just had a big change in
Yeah.
phone numbers.
Yeah.
So disregard that, just so you know who's been here.
Oh, they're literally the worst.
That kind of goes with you too, Madam, all right?
It's okay.
You're not going to go back in there, okay, if my colleague and I leave?
Mm-hmm.
All right, because otherwise we'll just get called to come back in.
No, I don't.
All right?
We're not going to waste your time.
Yeah.
You've got things to do, don't you?
Yeah, very much so, yeah. Whose medication is it?
So Shavesh Kuksal, who's on the phone. Now, our concern is that because it's a controlled drug that he's prescribed, if even when he loses some, he gets a problem trying to get it re-prescribed. So what happens is he ends up without medication for weeks and months while they try to backtrack what happened to it.
We literally just got it yesterday. He hasn't got it.
So he'll end up without prescription for weeks.
And they were going to let me take the medication, and I have no idea why, unless it's for any malicious purpose.
It's a criminal offence, that's why it's called trafficking.
It's for Mr. Kuksal. He is on the phone. He
We can't give it to you.
Okay, can he talk to someone, or just take it to the police station? He will need it. Please.
Take it to the police station.
So You just gonna leave him without his medication?
Did you need to speak to the manager?
Yeah. He said he's coming and he's not. Yeah.
Thank you.
If you can identify, or Mr. Cookson can identify to us which ones he needs that's prescribed to him, we'll take possession of it, take it to our office. If he turns up and provides identification to me, I'll provide it to him.
Okay.
Does he know which, but he needs to stipulate exactly what
Yeah, he'll know.
he
Ben,
needs.
if Shavesh identifies his medication to the police officer, they'll take it to the police station. So I will give the police officer the phone, so that...
I know.
No, but he
Oh,
needs
yeah,
to
okay,
identify
sorry.
it, not you.
It's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
Who am I talking to now?
Excuse me. I'm sorry, but I have asthma and my inhaler is there. Okay, thank you.
Right, I just need to know which medication you urgently need. I can take possession of it and take it to my office. And if you wish to attend there and provide identification, I'll provide it to you.
My stuff is here, right? Can I take them?
Yeah, out.
I will. Just let me take some stuff, right? My shoes. Do you have a business card? So
No.
how can I contact you?
Out.
So I can't contact you.
You can get out. That's what you do.
Did you get your coat?
My coat? Oh fuck! Can I get my coat, please?
Where's your code?
On the coat rack out the back, I think.
Yeah, there's like a few of them, please.
You've got more than one coat here.
Can you give me the biggest one, like the parka?
Come and get your coat, please.
Oh god.
She wants to come back in.
She's getting a coat now.
Oh, all right.
Rather than me having to take the whole coat rack there.
No. Getting a coat is fine. Yeah, it wasn't a trolley.
See, I may not have chosen that one first up.
It's cold.
I'm disagreeing with that.
It'll be cold outside where you are.
Sorry.
You might like to have one of those as a memento. You're a director. That's interesting, isn't it? For someone who has
Why
no
don't you
involvement
read
with
documents?
another director, and you're a director too. That's all right. Just stop filming. You've been told.
I'm outside.